Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the hardware and drivers. Your PC needs a Bluetooth adapter and an up-to-date driver so pairing works reliably. Once done, power the peripheral and set it to discoverable. That makes it visible. Then, on your PC Open Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Toggle Bluetooth on. This initial step establishes the radio link and reveals nearby devices, so you can proceed to pair quickly and avoid common visibility problems. You now pair the device. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, select Bluetooth and pick the visible device name. This binds the two devices. Make sure to confirm any PIN prompt. Many headsets use 0000 or 1234, while phones may display a code to verify. Once paired, go into the device properties to choose its role. Set it as audio output for sound, microphone for input, or enable file transfer. This ensures Windows routes the right streams and avoids latency or missing features. Finish by testing the connection. Play audio or send a file, and then set the device as default in sound settings if audio doesn't route correctly. If the connection is flaky, repair the device and check Device Manager for driver updates. Outdated drivers often cause dropouts. As a quick troubleshooting tip, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter or restart the Bluetooth support service. This clears hung states and often resolves pairing failures without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.